What is this?
Driving across the Hoover
I
Dam.
think those are the people that lost their lives during the building. Because they were using big...
1935. 1931 to 35.
The people who died while they built this, they had to climb up and all that and use all kinds of heavy stuff. Some fell and all that kind of stuff. Quite a few people died.
And the explosives.
They use explosives and dynamite. These big hills.
You have arrived at
Arizona's the same time as us, isn't it?
I believe so.
Yes, Sharon.
So what is the original? Some people have walked across.
I think they're planning to do that. You know what I mean?
No, that's where the